So sari kaham tahu buku sama betul kelumka tibrasa tahu buku sama especially কয়েকদিন ধরে না মুখনা যে जों কয়েকদিন सिगां যে जों खायसे स्टूडेंट्स नि केस न थि लाइव मा फाइगा बिकॉज या कंप्लेंट फाइमानि बागै सिमिलर केस न तिनिसिनि लगे पैसा मगासिनि आता सुकुमार देवबर्मा बनो खायसे एजेंट जे बिनि बुंथि न खायसे एलिगेशन बा खायसे कंप्लेंट सफाइमानि बागै जों बो एनक्वायरी खालामना लेखा तिनि जों एनक्वायरी खालामनानि आगोलो जों तो बनो रिंना नांलिया बाट बन निजे न ए मुचुंगै की सॉल्यूशन खालामनाय बा निजे न मुचुंगै खायसा discussion खालामनाय हने वो चिनि त्रिपुरा पीपल फाउंडेशन बेंगलुरु सफाइगा वो डिस्कशन खालामनायनि बागै एंड वो कॉलेजआव थांनाय फाइगा वो तो तारुक साइखा आरका सो हामबाय केमने बाय कोनो हार्ट फेल तो करे तो हामबाय मारे वो बना सब वो एटलीस्ट रिस्पांसिबिलिटी या सबै असु जरा सफाइगा वो बेंगलुरु इमीडिएटली पना मिनि अयन सामुखौ मनो खिबिबै तिनि सफाइगा सो आता लामसो होदो चिनि त्रिपुरा पीपल फाउंडेशन अफिसर
Hambai sin takuk dinas nabo dalai khna
tabuk dosung jes jamne salaiga jamne like je complaint phaga student only ni digi ti ning je khanama ti nang tabuk bor ni bale tamu khlai man nai chung last time to sun khana student problem mo jung jalo khlai to moi college porimali ani sai dong ha ba tongi mali an sai dong ha tabu ni ti nang bor ni bale tamu solution khlai ri man no tam one sum
Bulan hambai, naik tongai khazani takuk teh bukuk somna. Ini ang sini Tripura People Foundation ni office Bengaluru, hajak, ani kebang ma question tu ni apa, kebang ma jamel tu ni, ani borok by share kalinya ni ba, bong cuba so, nama bagai ma peka, an bagai bulan ang sini takuk dinas no, sini bagai asap. Bapak ni bagi sangkai tunggu, guna hambai mana berlaku?
Orang tunggu sini Vice President Tahu Prantus,
guna hambai, maka
sini
Mrs. Legal Advisor Rahul Jamatia na, guna tebo hambai mana bo otrai ni case tu situation tu anu clear ke bujuk kas saka, maka ang bujuk kan, bong ni bagi tam, joto tu mansa dakti no. Borok ba anu cooperate kaitan jehetu borok ba student ang bong na agi ba hamzabo tabuk ba hamzabo ang bong login tongo borok ba mili cooperate kaina ang solution no solve kaina situation no solve kaina
so tabuk to jodo tigitino joli ba tongo chaja gyang le ba tongo probably miscommunication ba ngi manu ba puila o je cox hatni wo online liya tabuk nang phaiga kaham kok sin thane student mo phaiga chu chini duty to mo to degi tinga sung khanana ni bagi kemana sung phatcha mazra beri ri maya tabuk nang mo phai sabai ni clarification phaiga student mo phai sabai borni janjal point no phai sabai mane borni je difficulties ni to mo phai sabai ka so obviously ni dai to mo se chung bai ke or problem no solve lai man so pula hambai dewe se hambai mar no at least nang bo bas kango ago ko phaiga je o problem no solve नहीं ताकि चले रखने वो लाइफ कैसे तो वो बोलने लाइफ वो सेव नहीं थाने तई बोलने करियर वो काम के स्मूथली थाने मारने नहीं तई so tabuk nung do Bangalore phaiga Tripura nung thang boro buru malai nai ne wan sumi to
rom di isa treatment ni pore na thana te 3-4 din aba hakena sokoi nai ane flight ticket do huma yang ni tongo ba train ba ja thana tam ba thana ticket confirming ani bagai te salni satam le nangana hai kaka
da te salni satam to nasing manu me to phine to weekend se Saturday Sunday so hopefully boro nasing na tabuk jorati to police to complaint to sabai ka mungsaya to bangke nang thangai je nangmani bus kango uklo tonge we bus kango thangai to bisu kam hamya kok salanya ni khoroksa ke malai we kai to bije khorok tam je complaint nahi rok no ek thansa khlai kok sanani pabe tam ne nang khoroksa be satni wo bobe nang tam discuss kai bobe tam discuss kai ne thai sakhi tongla so evidence tongla so evidence ni bage ani suggestion chini suggestion nang ke ni time bu basi nai bor ni time bu basi nai police ok bus kanga bo nang thangai kok no salai man police station par salai man ba kaisa jaga wo legal nati pe no salai letter kaisa na lai ba kaisa declaration na lai je nang amte klainan ko siga amte klai rekha ke parents ko goshina in nang amte klai rekha ke chungbo mani nai ni boro ko ma goshina amon nang bo ni yang tai je nang promise ri ma mani bai ke solve klai nang bo ni share of life no bai ke basri tlang nai au ni yakni nang mundu solution man au nang boro solution chang na
abo to ang khaina solution to bol boy joto to mansa bong ni ko ti dang tang ani ko ti dang tang abo nai no ang bus kan abu na
so hopefully tabuk jotono clear tongbai khana je nai problems to arise always no different problems phayo to ufru tam problem phai chung ni jena sai mania to unke especially tabuk education system to chung kaham khai finance kam no ba keo agent be finance kam no nor agreement khai padi and agents no request je nor kam promise khai ba nor kam facilities remand kaisa blank paper na wai sui handwritten okay no printed in ya handwritten khai no sidi tam ta no discussion khai na ka board page pan nang thung to bong conversation tam ka point to point si parents ni kaisa signature student ni kaisa signature agent ni kaisa signature and दुईजना witness ni signature kaisa kore ran thangonga ke parawa to tongai no witness tawak agent ni tu agent sai thangai chu ke no ngoni logyo kaisa witness mat lang nai bani ni agent partner thangai mat lang nai ke tawak student ni mo abu patomai and student tongai and student ni parne khornai as a witness tongai no ai ke chen khlai mano jinjal gri kabang agent wants to man asak samukalo sab khane thane ne par wants to be man. But I tell you, my request is, it is for the safety for both student and agent. Simono, every agent works for their own income. Student comes to study, but let's not do something give future also. So, I request and Jotana educate Kainamuchu. Tini also video night on especially the future students. They want to turn it up. No, just put one agent, Malaika, college, पूरा proper verification क्लाइडी ओलोनर ऑफ बॉयज ना दूसरी में अंगना लगना है तब निकलना रख सकते verification क्लाइड का ना yes नहीं करते से ना वो फाइनली सुधु खाना का मुचुंग का हम सिंग में तब फाइली कॉलेज बुई का हम सामा बच्चों ने रखा हमारे वांसु की में या तब वो एजेंट रखो कॉलेज अथॉरिटी में जैसे साधारण पर वो सावरी तब वो क्या रिक्वेस्ट टू एजेंट रखो वो जेनर कैसे कॉलेज उच्च नीति पर असर अपना admission finance ka nor nije ko chai to ko manai ni enquiry fine id ki je college authority पैसा bhai mai je browser bhai mai abo usi dora dei true chung to always no to muchine Bangalore Tripura People Foundation and TISF in Bangalore so always available just upon chine thane enquiry file ga chung just 1 or 2 days basic 1 to 2 days in the any colleges new sini bus kamak ko dalanga ga chung no 2 days में machine report read nai जे चीनी already list होता होगा चुनाव ना immediately report ready मालूम जे और college ले तीसी और college ले हम तीसी वो college में तामो चीनी थाने जो तो details तो हो चीनी TISF ने joint convener Rahul Jamatia and चीनी convener Mr. Hamtor Deburma and तब तो वो अजय Jamatia सो तो वो चीनी student team असर का expert का ताबू रहते जे all over Bangalore ने जे colleges तो मनी so मोटा मोटी साइमन का वो कॉलेज तामो so हाई निबल साओ एजेंट्स वो ब्लाइंडली तक थांगी जिके वो स्टूडेंट नो मान का गोशी का हम सिम तक तो फेरी तब वो पॉइंट आंग किसा हिसाब साइक नारे इचनो ऑनलाइन इचनो लाइव सेकांग बिनी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड नहीं फैमिली बैकग्राउंड बावन बोले बिनी मार्कशीट बिनी मार्क्स marks ni pore nang borono complete years ni road map mari nai tini nang admission thanga 1,30,000 ni ticket thanai 10,000 ni sada sale to mani 22,000 mane each and every chikon hisab no riwoi complete ni total course 3.9 lakh ba 4 lakhs of painai ba 4.5 because both thanga finally ticket na nai boss ro amsung na nai na ne hisab ri ni nor to already to be to thangai to ticket ni dam sai mano so thang phai to and fro ni ticket busuk na nai o 4 bosor o 3 bosor pore thani wo omo pura road map bunu parent to buzuna na nai taki boro bo kaisa target permanent thi kaya busana pori na nem sunango sumada mano mania one sug manati ta oza na mission roadmap na mission no gono clear kas kari je ni scholarship tongibo 100% ni fees clear claim mania so even if it is 90,000 year ni college fees in kanke nang scholarship was 60 to 70,000 manai mane nang tai 20,000 anyhow arrange claim first year no problem 50,000 arrange claim with admission fees and everything admission fees uniform fees first year is extra nango so I request all the agents please student ni thaniwo college ni fees bar ri na away college so a deal play je no student repay but with your proper fee structure as a commission ready because chungonor ni some and we are also doing something to make money for us so amo to kono injustice here and je college winner of authority je college winner of student nani nor bijebo thorough checkup ready and kaisa authorization letter college ni thige yasandi mane like I'll say Dinesh Devarama is approved to be an agent or to be a third person to bring students or admit students in this particular college.
Authorization along with
authorization.
The validation.
Validation, authorization, any colleges, no, sini college ni members of Thango, marketing manager of Thango, this one of Thango. Borok Thango, Borok is a preach Kara by Chimix and Goshu Naimaya. Nangaget and sini student or Hayato Mai. Towards Junzalok Lay and my future. So, Thani proper information is free. Ang Sasungani income, Panamusuma by, and the Yoko Hilary Maya. So, Abu Kaisa Bukato, Asset Brasa, Chinity Brasa, Kissing Brasa, Junzal Kiklay, and wants to win an Amata. Tabu nor about to Clyde the Piga, but a nor of the Clyatan Clay, nor good winner of Clay Pay. Tabu cannot think it to mistake me because nor in Tanisi proper information, Kurigra, college paper. Tini prospectus of Punuka Alada. Right? Then no Punuka and Roman Goshitana, because nor is able to find out fire to college. Nor is it I know 500 nor summer in our prospectus Aladas too. Then college in the photo Aladas, Tangaria. Nagabri, Take, when I own night on me, Punuka admission Takladi. Exact J building or smart for in I, Kununya, just for transparency, play to Goshiri, and so. I came with no problem. I said proper agreement on my number student wishing on time promise, like a time promise. Student in Hannibal was list on my Bobo validate time on the other mission is fulfilled and Katungia.
On next summer, student of scholarship man, college of Kaya.
I'm the Kahamata. I will think about Kam Kanata agreement Kanke. Students of the Poria, starting on. As a one reading mono, and Kaisa close.
Take a sonic some student, but Nizino Poli Yamitanka. After private college to go, Billy documents Ria. Tango Ike Bobini, course fee, Sanai Pura. Abuni Ketrebo, or student by Kiria Kamanai.
Everything I have always how
means me, or less I'm not Saramananta.
Our boys how agreement is agreement. Okay. Student 5 on only is my and I get a clear clarity coverage on this is Bo Mago Sinai. Student on Moma Tonai, get Jodi Bokasarayaka Tang or how many problem with tongue. Abukani have a right to most student in Burotani complete the this student is a fraud. Because I was rather Chumano. Chini Taneva as a student in list Tomoja. Student in Uburabo case Rimanthani. Scholarship scamming. Because Kavama student of scholarship now we college Kavama college complaint Hajar Tosin Chimpurano Naitugimano, Naitugima it's very easy for us to search them because Pura documents in Haritogo, Aadhaar card, map sheet, everything we have. Tribros and Tibrasa, Natuna never conjugate. Togits and Monatuna Tanya. Tam negation in Borok by Borok, I don't think Tango gets in Borno as a possibility. Tom gets in Kaisa Bukaka, Gama one Sumai J. Chini Bagashi Kaito Monke, Chung Sarkarma Dukaria, agent of Dukaria, but some care by one in Tanya, Kobang and Tanya, Abu Kaisa, settlement on and agreement on Nanai. Then all agreement and ceremony, then all points ni allow and any problem can get none our any personal problem. nang agent no dusri man gla college no dusri man gla enga tabo student ro bono no simon no so that is close thing no in case of any problem issue when based on this promises and to the fulfill I mean yanka student can take legal action no go should no problem right because our logic as per the law except nang siniga tini agent kabang boro
college ba jodi ning je agreement tongo abono student logo nang agreement ma khaini ta
yes nang abo naro agent rogo fully college tamo authorities tamo kuri tam facilities so joto nai man ya bolo nang confirm man ya bolo se nang student na thangai transparently ke sakane right now
abono samho confirm information mane abono technical sung sakake abono inform khai gata mane je nang busia sajura abon nini daito kolai gata buzo biro lani hain nang or thangai abo saira kha ati bai ni ata
mane gossip pai kha ma bai ni do ta mane sinara direct student ko mo pai sini tung sung ha ka ke sarnor la bengaluru tongwa chung admission of hiring ma no ang sakang no saira nai ni jispon porna pai ni pharmacy thong nursing porna ni thong ang pura hisab ri ro bro hainani ticket as thangai thamani as thangai wala tongna as nai tai ni monthly pocket money nang nai ni monthly pocket money 4000 5000 rom sidi and ni o 5000 rom ni parents ro no sala ko jamana maya ni ko hawo ko masane
monthly pocket money to depend hai bini
mane samane se bangalore hata 5000 school ya
5000
Ako oza ko do 5000 liya 3000 pon rom kha 3000 pon rom kha ga boss 30000 pon ngo 30000 ni o 3 lakh chole 3 lakh 4 lakh ga 3 lakh 30000 kha lole 4 lakh 30000 ke oi o ma ke no tabo bor target mar nai hai ke bor ko clear khai ma yang nai bor sudu scholarship ma asai to ma bungia because scholarship time of hai ankle sekarang nung fees ready scholarship to nung nero paine sekarang nung itu reason mar nai pleno scholarship ready itu thang abo and scholarship ni kan ini refund nung kata tu isha so ma ke ma choli nai ke bono thok ho gaya ke bono dhoka riya ke bono jungle khigla ekla eno chuma choli nai any points you want to add Prantosh any more points you want to add Rahul
already darato common points saka so we are trying to be neutral between both the parties sang tamu songke baine jongjala tak laithang but one suggestion goes to agent also ki norobu jonte verification naile diki the one that you have been working for the college one verification naile norobu verbal agreement to thangani ta naile di norobu written na di je same norobu student no agreement rema haike norobu institution yang sing khai authorization letter by ke kaise agreement na lai di because most of the cases they won't provide agreement abono norok object khai if they are not providing agreement because in policy it has been written clearly because the affiliation that they got from the body borone or policy tongu to give that agreement so agent robo abono khanaina ninto whoever working we are not against any agent not of samtangdi but do it with honesty do it with transparency that's what we want
das kun kok sana dong ko
das krikha balanga hamba
so opportunity do na nam satam no kok sana ne bage so hamba ta wisa no paiman no sam paiman ja paiman bage chini office paiman bage nang boni ni clarification na bage phaiga student no so no clarification na bage phaiga so both ways khana ka tabo no bum dekhe no khor be milwe mane student be agent milwe nang taw thangai te salema hai parents of it hansa ka malai de alada malai oi taki ni kok jothon ni sani no same to ni mane empty tak lagi je kaise parent be kaise kok saga ta kaise parent be kaise kok saga mai tak lagi अब बस कांगो no clear khai paile di bo parent hinta man thai bo parent hinta no thai amma ke clear hai mane no hidden discussion khai oi bora bo saking thaka aja gawo tamni yang di bok ta kharcho khar ni tlangai thai logiyo je ni sukin tam je ni borok tomai ro bono tlangai kaham ke settlement khai naini ki boro ni student no no bhai ro jungle tiklai tum
apno try khai ki best collective outcome boro ni bhai khai ek sath kaisa outcome bhai khai good outcome apno try khai
ठीक है